Hi everyone, it's me Miranda. I am going to be unboxing SISTAR's repackaged album, well the repackage of Touch and Move, which is called Sweet and Sour. And that noise you hear is my dog trying to do something. I don't know what she's trying to do, but that's my dog, Maya. Here's the front and the side. And the back. And it just says special album Sweet and Sour SISTAR over and over. So that's all that says. And this is what her photo card looks like. So, for those who are curious, because I don't collect Bora and I don't collect Hoyland. Awesome. Oh, and this album comes with 1 out of 4 instead of 5 like the other album, because they don't have a group card for this album release. Ooh. This is So Used photo card, which I will show at the end of the video. And for some reason it doesn't, I think this is Hoyland's photo card, like what hers looks like, I think. This is what Dawson's photo card looks like. Once again, I will show at the end of the video. The CD. And I pulled Dawson's photo card again, so I was very happy about that. This is what her photo card looks like. If you'll focus. In the back. And then Soyuz. I hope you enjoyed, and once again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. So